proud. The problem is that when the first ladies talk about it, the ASEAN, when they expect now a really high level of performance and of physicality. So
That's
like,
true.
we got the best.
Oh, thank you. I will give you my best.
Oh my goodness, sorry for that. That's more than enough. Oh my.
It's excited.
You'll come one day, huh? That's so soon.
Maybe next time. Yeah. maybe.
We'll meet Cebu. And then the convention
Happy again.